Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to block someone on Slack. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. While Slack doesn't offer a direct block feature to prevent someone from contacting you altogether, there are a couple of ways around that you can use to restrict their ability to interact with you. First of all, you can mute their direct messages. This option prevents you from receiving notification for direct messages from a specific user. To do so, first of all, open your Slack application or go to Slack website from a browser. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the left side of your screen, scroll down to the person DM, then right click on their profile. Then you can see mute conversation option. Click to mute conversation to mute their DM. You can also, if the unwanted interaction is happening within the specific channel, you can leave the channel entirely. You can also close the conversation. This is how you can block someone on Slack. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.